Hello guys, what's up? I have to update you about Bwoi coming to Ethiopia. Well, this is the latest post, and these are the confirmed artists that will be entertaining you in Addis Ababa, Ethiopia. Yet still, there's no news about about Gambela, but they will be coming to Gambela. On 19 November this 2022, Bwoi will be performing live in Addis Ababa in this hotel called Let's Lounge, Brane Adere Africa Mall, third floor near is it a dinner mall, something like that. You can find all the information down here on the poster. These are the artists that are being confirmed to perform there. We have Young Magic, Junior Nate, SW Boy, Dina J, Kai Kai, and many more that their names are not even listed here. So they will be performing live, and you should be ready. Get ready so that you can support them when your boy legend Bwoi touchdown. This is a good information. We also have a contact that you can call and link up with the manager out there who is bringing your boy home. So these are the people that will be managing the concert. You can contact them by this number, which is Ethiopian number, +25199118627, and then in the end 1. And again, +2519888207252. So you can reach out to them using those numbers. Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching, guys. Do not forget to leave a like, comment, and whatever you want to do with this video, please do that. Support me by smashing the subscribe button. Thank you for watching, guys. Okay, thank you. Bye bye.